Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hopefully you are doing well.
Class 4, today we are going to revise 3 basic storage devices of computer, which is also known as computer accessories. So let's start. First, compact disc. Compact disc or CD is an optical disc which is used to store data. As you all know that CD stands for compact disc and it is an optical disc which is used for storing data in it. It is a round and portable storage device. Its shapes is in round and it is a portable storage device. Portable means in Urdu you may said easy, आसानी से एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाना. So it is easily convertible from one place to another place. Compact disc is mainly used for software distribution. So what is the uses of compact disc? It is used for the distribution of software, movies, songs and games. Capacity of a CD is measured in megabytes. So the capacity of CDs is measured in, the storage capacity of CDs is measured in megabytes, which is lesser than DVDs. A computer must have a CD-ROM in order to use a CD. So a computer must have CD-ROM in it for using or for playing CDs in it. Second is digital video disc. Digital video discs, commonly known as DVDs, are similar to CDs. As you all know that DVDs and CDs are similar to each other. They can store data. The only difference between CDs and DVDs is that DVDs can store large amount of data as compared to CDs. So the only difference between CDs and DVDs is that DVDs store large amount of data as compared to CDs. So the storage capacity of DVDs is measured in gigabytes, which is higher than CDs. Third storage device is USB flash drive or pen drive. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. So the full form of USB is Universal Serial Bus. USB flash drive is a portable storage device. It is also a portable storage device. It is a compact, fast and can store large amount of data. So USB also stores large amount of data in it. USB flash drives are rewritable disks. So the only rewritable storage device is USB. You can erase and write data as many times as you want. It is a convenient means of transferring data from one computer to another due to its small size. So it is very convenient for you to transfer data from one computer to another computer through USB because it is smaller in size than DVDs and CDs. USB flash drive is also known as pen drive. So the another name of USB flash drive is pen drive.